Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love read now. Let's see what's going on with you, Scorpio. Let's see what's going on with your partner and where your mutual energies are right now. And these are general collective readings, Scorpio, will not resonate with all of you out there. So keep that in mind, okay? And take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Scorpio, we're going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading first, and then we'll start your reading. My angel spirit guides, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Scorpio gang, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio. This one. All right, let's keep this one here, Scorpio. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Scorpio, is prayer. Okay, I don't know what this means for you, Scorpio, but this situation definitely involves prayer. So either all your prayers are being heard and they're going to come true, or maybe you need to spend some more time praying and manifesting what you need now. So let's see, let's open your cards and see what's going on. Scorpio, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel, for keeping me motivated all through last year, and also, yes, joining me on a ride to a brand new year. Thank you so much for all your likes, your comments, your donations to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in, Scorpio. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards. One is for you, one is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. And yes, if you need a private reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below and the About section of the channel. You can reach me there. So for the duration of this reading, Scorpio, new beginnings for you, Scorpio. Now, are they with your person, or are you flying off on your own here? I don't know. Let's open the cards. This is going to be an exciting read, it seems. So yes, what was I saying? I've forgotten now. Yes, for the duration of this reading, Scorpio, I'll be referring this side as person A, this side as person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? So let's start opening the cards here. 9 of Swords in reverse, 6 of Swords in reverse, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, 7 of Swords in reverse, 7 of Wands upright, and the 3 of Wands. Okay, so let's see person B. 3 of Swords in reverse, the Devil upright, 5 of Pentacles in reverse, the Hermit, 3 of Pentacles, and the Temperance. Okay, so it seems there is a bit of trouble in paradise, a lack of balance between these two energies, and some delays going on. And person A is now trying to, guard themselves, stay a bit defensive of going back to a situation which I don't think they really enjoyed here. Anyway, let's take some dialogue cards before we begin. Let's get the ball rolling here with some innermost thoughts between the two of you and see if you guys could say something to each other, Scorpio, what that would be. So, Scorpio and their person, spirit. Scorpio and their person. Oops, that's too many. Okay, let's take one more. Okay. And let's take a few from the other deck as well. Mix it up a bit. Scorpio and their person, spirit. Scorpio and their person. Thank you. That's a lot of cards, but we'll take them. Okay. The thought of being with you one day is what gets me through today. So I don't think you guys are together, and one person is still hoping and wishing that one day you guys can come together. Second card says, I don't understand why you hide your feelings from me, and whenever you do open up, you run and hide. When you do get in touch, you act as if nothing has happened and give me little to no explanation of why you just vanished. This behavior makes me feel unappreciated and not valued by you. So even though I think one partner tries to reach out and you guys may come together, nothing is really said which kind of heals the situation. And it ends up once again in frustration. My family doesn't understand our connection. I have told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. So could be a lot of family interference as well. Maybe one person has a large family and they discuss, your business with them, and everybody has something to say. And yes, let's see. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. Next card. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. Your ego is fucking irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in, we could be a strong power couple. Last card. I realize I can't run from you because you are deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you have shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. So I think you guys come together and things are said which are honest truths which the other person can't take, and then they run or they sabotage the coming together, or maybe they have family and friends who are also trying to come in the middle. As much as one partner wants to come back with the other, there is a separation because you guys are not just coming on the same page here. Let me not talk too much about this. Let's just open the cards. Start interpreting these cards now to see what's happening with you guys. Okay, so the first card I have for person A here, Scorpio, is the Nine of Swords in reverse. So I think somebody tried to kind of get out of stress and worry and try and kind of heal the situation, saying, hey, okay, let's not kind of keep ourselves all stressed out and, let's try and heal the situation. But sooner or later, I think this person realized that, oh my God, this didn't work out, right? It just created another, as much as one person tried to work on trying to build some harmony or peace or something, they soon realized that this was the wrong direction to take. They again felt a little ungrounded or not respected and felt that all their efforts kind of backfired on them. Yeah, before I could say backfired. And this card has actually come to clarify. The Five of Swords is clarifying the Five of Swords. So whatever effort was made by person one to kind of heal this connection or work on it, I think it went a wrong direction here. And person A, who I think is the feminine, is again feeling the same way, that every time I try to heal, the equation or the relationship, something happens which kind of makes me feel unappreciated, like the card said. I always feel unappreciated and ungrounded. So why is the Queen of Pentacles feeling like that, Spirit? Why is the Queen of Pentacles feeling that way? Because somebody just creates mischief each time. I think each time this feminine tries to create some kind of a peace or work on de-stressing the relationship, somebody creates a mischief, makes this Queen of Pentacles feel bad or pushes her off her throne, and it eventually ends up backfiring on person A. I think now they have, person A is now put their barrier up. No more, no more, no more. This person is very, very upset now, very angry that each time they try and kind of heal a situation, it goes the wrong direction. Now they've decided, instead of it backfiring on me all the time, I'm just going to put my barrier up now. I'm not going to allow this person to ever disrupt my life once again. This person is very upset and very, very angry. I think they've almost kind of turned their back on person B now to say, I am done. I'm no longer going to even try for it. I'm not going to stay stuck trying to heal the situation between us. I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to get out of this stuck position that I put myself in each time. And yes, I have a lot to do in my life. I have a forward movement coming into my life. I can take off and have a creative new beginning, and that's what I've decided for myself. A fresh new beginning and a creative new path in front of me is what I seek now. I don't want to be stuck here trying to heal something which always, always, always just kind of backfires on me. Okay, so that's person A. Now let's see person B. Person B has the Three of Swords in reverse, but with the Devil card. So I think they also kind of tried. They also tried to kind of bring some kind of a healing, but their person B has some kind of an addiction or some kind of a toxic way. Could be bad communication, could be anger, could be fear, could be an actual substance addiction like drinking or drugs or something. And each time I think they also kind of try to kind of heal things. Because of their devil energy, it makes the other person walk away. It's almost like a repellent that happens, and their person just walks away. So Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Three of Swords here for person B. Yes, this person has a lot of secrets they keep, or maybe they don't open up. There's a lot of guarded energy of person B as well. They are not open. They're not open, and because of their toxicity, maybe what they say is not what they mean, or whatever happens here, something they do which kind of overwhelms person A, and that pushes person A to walk away from them and creates all these delays. So I think each time, even that's what person B is also feeling, each time there's a little bit of healing, something happens and a delay is caused once again. They are realizing that maybe they've done something foolish once again this time, which has created the rift between the two of you. They do want to end the fight because they don't like being in hermit mode. They want to take action. They want to reconcile or kind of make up with person A now, but they can't see a way in now. Yes, because they are seeing that their person A has now got their defenses up now. This card came out for person A, right? And they realize that. They realize that they've done something really foolish and disrupted what could have been a 10 of Cups. They could have enjoyed, they could have had partnership, or they could have had emotional satisfaction with person A, but because of something very, very foolish done, maybe they were in their devil energy at that point or whatever, something happened which has created a delay once again. And yes, they are feeling rather foolish and want to heal this fight if possible, but they don't really see a way in right now, because the Three of Pentacles is in reverse. Person A is not wanting to, I think, work with them again, and they're feeling that things are out of balance now. Three of Pentacles, Spirit. Three of Pentacles. Yes, somebody stopped coming towards them, or there is distance between the two of you. There is no movement towards each other. Somebody's blocked them because now they realize, yes, I went the wrong direction. I shouldn't have done that. Whatever person B did, I have the same card on both sides. You guys are telling the same story. So person A is saying, hey, I tried to make a I've tried to kind of make a change. I didn't want any stress and tension between us. I tried to go towards person B and heal the situation, but somebody went the wrong direction and played some kind of mischief which made me very angry. Yes, whatever person A tried backfired on them. Now they've got their guard up and saying, I don't want to be stuck here. I'm moving off on my own life, right? Person B is saying the same thing. They're saying, yes, things were kind of healing, but there some toxicity came in which pushed somebody to walk away from this partnership, and now delays have been caused. Even though I want to take action because this did give me happiness, now I know that because of the wrong direction taken, there is a lack of coming together between person A and person B. Temperance in reverse, Spirit. Temperance in reverse. Yeah, the person B is feeling things are really stuck now. They feel, yes, maybe this could have had the potential of happiness, of love or whatever, but right now they feel because you guys are no longer maybe talking to each other, or some stoppage has come between, interacting with each other, person B is feeling things are really stuck once again, and even if they try and move towards person A, they are feeling that they could be rejected at this point because they know their partner is upset with them and angry with them, and the situation has become imbalanced once again. Okay, so yes, maybe prayer is very important right now, Scorpio, maybe for person B who needs some spiritual help right now, because person A has tried and tried many times over. This is not the first time, but somebody played some stupid mind games, I think, here on person B's side, and tried to make person B feel lesser than. Let's see what your mutual energies are. Justice, Knight of Cups in reverse, and the Queen of Wands in reverse. Same cards again. Yes, somebody feels that this was absolutely not right. Justice was not done. Whatever fight or argument or whatever you guys had, I don't know. But let's see. Justice in upright, Spirit. Justice. Where is the Justice card upright? Justice upright. Yeah, somebody was being a trickster here. They did something which was not right. This is a person who uses their power in a very bad way, in a wrong way. Somebody did that, and they did it. They did it maybe to a person who they've known for a long time. This is like a best friend, or had the potential of being. Something was done very wrong to a person who was actually just offering a hand of friendship or trying to make things right. So now this person knows that if I go back and offer a cup of love or say something nice, it'll probably get rejected, because my person would rather be single, abundant and happy on their own because of the way I've behaved. I never invested in this person. I should have put in more investment here, should have added to all these 9 pentacles. But what did I do? I was just a trickster here. I tricked this person, hurt this person, and now if I go back, what are the chances of me being accepted now? They know that because they also realize that their person, which is person A, has a temper. Yes, this could be a fire sign. And yes, fire signs, if aggravated, they can kind of get a little upset, right? So yes, there is a little upset and anger on person A's side, which I saw earlier as well. They've kind of given up. They've tried and failed, and each time this person just plays games on them and makes them lose. It's like a game for them, like a chess game. Who's going to beat who? For without rhyme or reason, they end up sabotaging a nice connection. So Queen of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Queen of Wands in reverse. This Queen of Wands feels that the partner is rather immature. They are a troublemaker. They feel, yes, certain things have been said. They feel certain things what have been said were probably in their deep psyche, and now finally they've come out with it, and with whatever has been exposed now, it's made this Queen of Wands very upset to know that how immature this person B actually is to them or has behaved with them. Yes, I don't think this person A has any will now to fight for this connection. They see person B as a weak person, not king status right now, or at least with the way they behaved this time. I think person A is kind of pulling back their love now, or yeah, but this whoever the feminine here is, Scorpio, they are turning their back on person A right now and dropping them like a hot brick. They don't see this person in a very high light now. They look at this person as immature and weak. So, person B, if you are thinking that you may be rejected, you kind of may be right here, because at the moment, person A is though not in any hurry to forgive you once again. They have tried and they have failed, and person B has done it on purpose. I have the Five of Swords here in reverse. So, somebody deliberately tried to make the other person lose here, okay, which was not. Which has not been accepted very well this time by person A. So yes, it's disrupted something that could have been very long-term and very beautiful here, Scorpio. Somebody's ego and pride came in the middle, and a victory that could have been achieved is right now in jeopardy. Somebody doesn't want to even see it anymore at the moment. So yes, pray. You'll have to put in some prayers, and maybe things can get better, but we'll see next time how far this goes. But that's what's happening right now, I would say, or is about to happen. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.